Welcome back. You're in the Politbureau, and it's time for Spinners and Spanners. Some may have thought that Duduzane Zuma was the only presidential offspring that could be accused of earning money questionably. But this week, it was the turn of Andile Ramaphosa, son of Cyril, to have cash he earned from a company feeding off state contracts thrown into the spotlight.
Now, Mr. President, here I hold a proof of payment that was transferred to say R500,000 rands need to be transferred to a trust account called EFG2 on the 18th of October last year. This was allegedly put for your son, Andile Ramaphosa. Following on to that, Mr. President, I have a sworn affidavit from Piet Venter stating that he was asked by the CEO of Bosasa that he must make this transfer for Andile Ramaphosa. Mr. President, we can't have family members benefiting. I would want to ask you right here today that you will bring our nation into confidence and please set the record straight on this matter, Mr. President.
This matter was brought to my attention. And the contract also deals with issues of integrity, issues of anti-corruption, and all that.
Well, South Africa, are we starting a trend? First, it was Baba Duduzane, then Putika Floyd, and now, is it Andile Cyril? Whose daddy is it anyway? The Politbureau is now closed.